This is an Atrium Plus system that we've sort of over-engineered a little bit to achieve the span. Because we've had to go with a heavier rafter and we've had to put some reinforcement in the corners and the eaves beam to ensure that the product withstands the elements. The spend per square metre to achieve that is a lot less than refitting the restaurant itself, so it's actually very economical, and it gives them a feature. To have it on the front of the restaurant as well is quite unusual, to achieve planning for that. So it's eye-catching as people drive past.
We do get a lot of starers when they walk past because it just looks beautiful from the outside, especially at night with all the lights and stuff. It looks lovely. So it was really nice in here in the summer. It's very good that we've got the blinds that cover the roof, so if it's too sunny and the sun's beaming down, we can shut the blinds.
That we can control the environment in here so effectively with the addition of the awnings, with the sliding doors, and the heaters means that it can be used all year round and all throughout the day and the night.
If there's someone at the front of the atrium that's too warm, then we can always unlatch the sliding doors.
I think people, certainly in the UK, this is not a traditional product that people understand. We automatically think that maybe it's going to be cold and we don't want to sit in it, but you couldn't be further from the truth. People want to sit outdoors in the UK. We don't get enough time or the weather really to sit outdoors. So having something like this brings the outdoors indoors. You can sit out here, you can enjoy the lifestyle that this brings, but you are shielded from the rain or the wind or whatever the elements throw at you, maybe some of the cold also. So it's a great environment for people to sit, and I think it's testament that we're sitting in something here that is a commercial space that people want to come in and eat food in and have an enjoyable evening. So 100% this is the right environment to be in.
It's very rare, but I've never seen one before. So I think people want to sit in here and they want to book for the atrium. We have people request the atrium all the time as well. Large parties request the atrium all the time. It's a lovely atmosphere. We have back-to-back bookings on the weekends for the atrium. They love the vibe in here, and when it gets dark at night, they love the atrium.
The Solarlux products are versatile, and they have considered most things when it comes to design and options, and the engineering is such that it can be adapted. It will last. It's suitable for purpose. It will stay watertight. You might find that a Solarlux solution costs you a little bit more than an Eastern European solution, but it is worth the money. My experience is when these sorts of products aren't well designed, they have problems in the long run. Maybe not for 6 months, a year, maybe 2 years, but hard problems to solve later on.
I think sleek is definitely a good word. It really brings a lot to Pesto here. We love it here, yeah.